welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, or I guess it's more of an unbagging. This is from Tinmi Arts on AliExpress. I ordered this during the AliExpress 11/11 sale. Yeah, this took a long time to get to me. This took, according to my records, 75 days to get to me from China. So this was, I thought it was gonna win in the whole like which diamond painting took the longest to get to me thing, but it didn't. One diamond painting took like 80 days to get to me, so that wins. So I did order 3 things from them, mainly because I wanted to use their coupons, you know, where you buy a certain amount and you get some coupons or something. So yeah, here is the first one. Okay. So I have done, I believe, 3 diamond paintings from Tinmi Arts. And I've been happy with all 3 of them. So I just wanted to order some more while they were on sale, since they tend to be a little bit more expensive. So yeah, here is the first one. Oh, okay, they are on poured glue. They do have this more like velvety backing on there. So yeah, so here is, man, it's not staying flat, but I'll just put this under all my other diamond paintings and it should flatten out, hopefully. So yeah, here it comes with a really basic toolkit, you know, just the pen, wax, boat, and probably like 3 baggies. So yeah, here is the image I got. Not sure if it's gonna lay flat. So yeah, there it is. There looks like there's 35 colors on this. And what's it called? The reason I like Tinmi Arts is they have some of the very clearest symbols. I'm not sure if you can see how clear they are. Like, I have had, like, I kind of wish all diamond painting companies would print similarly to how Tinmi Arts does it, just because, you know what, you spend the most time looking at the symbols, so you want them to be super clear. So yeah, it looks like there's 35 colors, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ABs on this one. So yeah, well, this was supposed to be a 40 by 48, but Tinmi Arts tends to be canvas size and not diamond painting, not drill area. So this is actually a 39.5 by, looks like 32. So it's a weird size. It's not quite a 30 by 40. It's a little bit bigger. So, but yeah, here it is. It's just kind of this like more abstract flower. So here's the original image. And yeah, there it is. It does look like this comes in, is this strip packaging? Because I remember the last time I got a Tinmi Arts, they were all like individual bags. So yeah, no, this looks like it's in strip packaging. I'm not going to, I'll do inventory off screen, but yeah, it does look like, look, these are really, really awesome colors. So a lot of diamond paintings I get actually because of color, and I think this one I got just because of color. So let's see, wait, how much did I buy this for? This one was $8.53. I did buy it during the 11/11 sale, so it was probably cheaper. I think this looks different. Like the last Tinmi Arts ones, I think their logo looked different. So I don't know if they've gotten different manufacturing. I hope the drill quality is still awesome. But yeah, here is the first one. Let me put that off to the side. So let's open another one. So I did order 3 just so that I could get to the coupon codes. That's pretty much, yeah, I'm one of those people. Get the coupon code. Okay, this one looks like it's taped again. Okay, so it is pretty protected. It was in a bubble mailer and another plastic baggie. Okay, so, oh, this one's different. It has instructions. So, I don't know. This is kind of weird that they're not all the same, but, and it looks like it has the same toolkit. But yeah, here it is. Ah, I'm actually surprised. That actually looks like it might turn out. I do like landscapes, but you know, I also don't want to keep just doing massive diamond paintings. So I did see this in one of the reviews on AliExpress, and I thought that the picture looked pretty good considering the size, and I actually think this will turn out. So this one is what, supposed to be a 40 by 48. I doubt it's a 40 by 48. Let's see, it is, looks like 39.5 by 32. So yeah, this won't fit in my 30 by 40 art portfolio, but yeah, there it is. I actually think this will turn out. So this looks like it has 34 colors. There are actually 3 ABs on this, so that's a large amount of reason I buy from Tinmi Arts, is because they do have relatively affordable diamond paintings that does include ABs. So I think that will turn out. Yeah, see, this is what I was talking about. I remember the last time I bought a Tinmi. Yeah, see, look, the logo is different on this one. The last time I bought a Tinmi Arts, they were all in these little individual baggies, which drove me a little crazy because they're like, if there's more than one bag for a color, they're separated. So it does make kitting up a lot more difficult. But yeah, I did all buy rounds. Tinmi Arts, I don't think does squares. At least as far as I know, they haven't done squares. So yeah, I did just buy a bunch of rounds because sometimes squares get tedious. But yeah, I think on screen this looks really, really good. So I'm hoping this will turn out. But yeah, no, this is gonna be a pain to what's it called, kit up. But yeah, no, that one, there's the second one. So my third one, did I say how much that other one was? The lighthouse was $9.09. So this last one is, I think, bigger, just seems bigger. So I think they packaged this pretty well, I think. So it's nice. And so yeah, this one is much bigger, same toolkit. I wonder why that other one had instructions. That's, yeah. That seems kind of weird, but okay. Here it is. Is it all on screen? It's a flower. Yes, I know. If you've seen a couple of my other videos, I do tend to like flowers. Is it all on screen? Do I need to bring you up a little bit? But yeah, here it is. It's another flowers. These are yellow tulips. Hey, that's the one good thing also, Tinmi Art does name their diamond paintings, so it stops me from making bad choices in my naming. Yeah, this does look like it does have the different logo than the second one that I did. So it looks like this one has 25 colors. There are 3 ABs on this one, so I did a good job on picking the diamond paintings with ABs. So Tinmi Arts, not all diamond paintings from Tinmi Arts have ABs, so they do tend to write on their description, at least on AliExpress, whether there are ABs and which size has ABs. So not all the sizes have ABs. So yeah, here is my tulips here. Where's my, so this says it's supposed to be a 45 by 54. And it is a 37 by 45. So Tinmi Arts does kind of have strange sizes, so if you're looking to frame them, it might be a little bit difficult to find an exact frame size, but I just tend to just put it on some sort of background and put it, so even if it's smaller, I still put it on a bigger frame. I just find that that's cheaper than me trying to buy a custom frame. But yeah, here it is. Yeah, and then it is packaged how I thought it would be, in these little individual baggies, which is really, really annoying when you're kitting up. But yeah, I don't know if you could tell, these ones are the ABs, nice little purple ones. But yeah, so yeah, those are the 3 that I got from Tinmi Arts. So yeah, there's this flower, this more abstract flower, and then this landscape. Not sure when I'll get to these, but if you do see a kitting up video pop up of any of these, that means I've already started it. So, well, there you go. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye!